this is tonight's homework using elimination instead of graphing. We're using elimination. I'll go to the word problem first. I know first period we didn't get to do this, and because we're in a hurry, we didn't read the problem and I explained it wrong. So if you're watching the video, this will help. Okay. Castell and Gabriella are selling pies for the school fundraiser. Customers can buy apple pies and lemon meringue pies. Castell sold 6 apple pie and 4 lemon meringue pie for a total of this much. Gabriella sold 6 apple pie and 5 lemon meringue pie for the total of this much. What is the cost of each pie? Each one of the apple pie and one of the lemon meringue pie. So we're looking for the cost of each one. Okay, so first we know that Castell has 6 apple pie. She sold 6. So she sold 6. That's not $6. So we don't know how much each apple pie was. So we don't know to multiply. We need to know the cost of the apple pie. 6, we know how many apple pies she sold. She sold a number 6, but we want to know how much that costs each cost. So X then represents the cost of each apple pie. The cost of apple pie. Okay, and then because 6 times, let's say the apple pie was $10, so we know then apple pie is $60. And the lemon meringue pie, let's say it was $5 each, so times 5, 60, that's 30, that gets you 90, which wouldn't be the 80, so that wouldn't work. So we need to know the cost, plus the 4 lemon meringue pie. We don't know how much it cost for each lemon meringue pie. So we're going to give that a Y, the cost of each lemon meringue pie. Lemon pie. Just put lemon pie. Okay, so we don't know that, so we give it a Y. And their total cost altogether for selling 6 apple is $80. Okay, we don't know the cost. Now Gabriella sold 6 apple pies, 6x, 6 apple pie times the amount, the cost of each one, plus 5 lemon meringue pie, 5 times the cost of the lemon meringue pie equals to $94. Okay. So we're going to use elimination. We're going to eliminate the X, the apple pie. We're going to multiply one of them. I'm going to multiply my top one by a -1. So that gives me negative 6x minus 4y equals to negative 80. All the small ones are on bottom. That gives me 0. That gives you y. Hey, $14. Y is $14. So the cost of each lemon meringue pie is $14. The cost of each lemon meringue pie, the cost of each lemon meringue pie is $14, and apple pie is okay. Alrighty, let's find back 6x plus 4y equals to $80. Okay, so 14 goes here. $56. 6x plus that equals to 80 minus 56, right? Equals to 24. 6x. Let's divide by 6. X is 4, and x stands for the cost of each apple pie. So the apple pie is $4 each. Let's check. I'm going to check and make sure. If this was $4, that's 24, and this was $14. That is 64. No, 54. Yeah, 24 plus 56. I mean 56 is $80. Yep, that's right. Just to double check my work. Always good to check yourself. Oh. Okay, that way I don't have to give a free homework pass. Right? The school that Lisa goes to is selling, you know what, I'm going to do this in class tomorrow. So I don't want to do this with you guys because most likely there's a kid that won't watch this and I need to go over it in class. So we'll leave this alone so I can go over it in class tomorrow. And let's use elimination. I think most of you guys are good with this. All right, let's see. You know what? Let's just do the homework part without doing the other notes today. I'll let you guys get away with not doing everything, okay? Let's just do the homework part. Check your solution. Hey, they want you to check it. This is 0. 8x equals to 48 minus 32 is 16. Divide by 8. X is 2. If x is 2, we need to find out what y is. Y, well, I'll use this one. There's no negative. 3x plus 6y equals to 48. Times 2. 6 plus 6y equals to 48. Minus 6 minus 6. 42. So our solution is 2, 7. That's where the graph. What does your solution represent? The graph will meet. It represents the graph will meet at 2, 7. This is the solution. The solution is 2, 7. That's where the graph meet. Check your answer. Okay, here's checking. Checking, you take both equations. 5x minus 6y equals negative 32. And the other one, 3x plus 6y equals to 48. All right. So x is 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 for y. So that's 10 minus 42 Is that equal to negative 32? Yep. It'll check out. Okay, 2 and 7. 2 for x, 7 for y. That's 6 plus 42. Is that 48? Yep, it is. Checks out. So the answer is correct. Okay, let's look at this one. Make 0. Oh, I meant that's a y, guys. 8y equals to 8. Divide by 8. Y equals to 1. Okay, to find x, 5x plus 2y equals 17. Substitute y to be 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 5x plus 2 equals to 17. Minus 2 minus 2. 15 equals to 5x. Divide by 5. X equals to 3. So 1, 3. The graph will meet at 1, 3. No, 3, 1. Oh my gosh. 3, 1. No, homework. This is the solution. 3, 1. Number 3 here. That's a 0. 3y equals to negative 6. Okay, y is negative 2. Let's take, doesn't matter really. 7x plus 2y equals 10. And y is negative 2. Y here, negative 2. That's 7x plus negative 4 equals to 10. Add 4 to make 0. 14 equals 7x. Divide by 7. X equals to 2. So 2, negative 2. Okay, the graph will meet at not 4 and 2. The graph will meet at 2, negative 2. This is the solution. Okay. Alrighty. This one here, oh wow, same problem. Cross that one out. Zero, 3, no. 0, that's 13x equals to negative 39, I believe, yeah. Negative 39, divide by 13. X equals to negative 3. Okay, find y. 8x plus 11y equals to 20. X is 3. You substitute 3 in here. Get 24 plus 11y. Minus 24. There's something wrong here. 0. It says negative 3. Oh, that's because it's a negative 3. X is a negative 3, which makes that negative 24. Add. So we get 44. Makes more sense. Hey, no homework pass, right? Y is 4. So the solution is the graph meets graph intersect or meets at 4, -3. No, -3, 4. What am I doing? Just tired. This is the solution. This is the solution. This is the solution. Solution is what you call it. Okay, next one. Okay. Where's the word problem? Here it is. Oh, here it is. Alrighty, let's go to the next one. Alright, these are easy. I'm going to let you do the ones that are the same. This one I think we did in the class. Okay, because you multiply this by 4 to make this number equal to the 40. So you essentially get 12x minus 40 okay, this now becomes that. So you get 16x, and this is 0, equals to -60. Divide by 16, x equals 2. Oh my gosh, is this right? Oh, times 4 is 100. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm so off. 120. Okay, 20, right? It's 100 plus 20 is 120. Okay, 16, well, let's use a calculator because I'm 2. It's not 2. 7.5. Let me check. That's 12, that's 40, that's 100, yeah. 16. Well, 7.5. Let's put it back in. I'm going to use all the positives down here. Okay. For x plus 40, y equals to 20. $30 plus 40y equals to 20. Oh, what am I doing wrong, guys? Am I doing anything wrong? It's 30. Okay. It's 10. Okay, I would eliminate the y because I would only have to multiply the 3 by 5. I don't need to this by 5, and that's all I have to do to make it 15. So the top one will remain the same. bottom one would be 5x now minus 15y equals to 100. Who's at the door? Okay, that gives you 12x equals to 132. 132 divided by 12, 11. 11. So you solve for y. Okay, I assume you guys know how to solve for y. I'm not going to do that. Let's see. Some other ones that you may have a hard time with. 10. It doesn't really matter which one. You got the choice of turning the y and the x. I would do the y because I only have to multiply by 2. The x I have to multiply by 16. The number is large. The y I have to multiply by 2. So it's smaller, so I'm going to multiply each one by 2. It's easier. 2x than 16. Minus 16y equals to 36. 0, choose u negative 14x equals to negative, positive actually, 28. Yes. Divide by negative 14. So x is equal to negative 2. And then you can find y. Here, obviously, you get rid of the x. It's the easier one of the two. Just multiply by 11. Okay. Yeah. Okay, solve the equation using substitution. So some of you need more substitution help. Get rid of this and put that there. 2x minus 4 equals negative x plus 2. No problem, anytime. 0, that's 2 equals to 3x minus 4. Add 4. And then 3x equals 6. Divide by 3. X is 2. Remember, you answer the question, the graph will meet at, oh my gosh, 3. This is 2. You make sure you substitute it back in. I would substitute it into here to find that x is 0. I mean, y is 0, so it's 2, 0. That's your answer here. This here, you take that here, and you substitute that in there. So you got negative 3x minus 3 times the negative 5, x minus 17, like that. And then you distribute first, and then you solve. Okay. No solution, one solution, and y. We did this in class. Oh, graph problem 1. Wow, okay, let's graph problem 1. Okay, graph problem 1. Y equals negative 4 right here. 2x, so up 2 over 1. Slope is, rate of change is 2. Graph. Other one is at 2. Right there. And then it's down 1 over 1. Aha, here's our solution. I can stop now. I know where the solution is. Solution is at 2, 0. Hey, how are you? Just the same as this one. You have a question? I'm videotaping. Which one? I'm just doing an equation to one of the equation. Okay, this is all different. It's no solution. Just pick one that would be parallel. No solution. Same slope. Okay, I'll leave this to you guys. And which one? I'll do this in class, the word problem. I think kids are having a problem with the word problems, right? Yeah, I'm done. I think that was, no, here's another word problem. Here's another. Did I give that many word problems? Oh my God. Okay. I'll go over all the word problems tomorrow, because I'm going to give another one that's word problems. We didn't have time to go over it. No, you don't have to. I'll go over all of it tomorrow. We didn't have enough time to go over it today. Okay?
So I have a question.
Yeah.
That's number 2.